Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car rear view mirrors. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Car DVR Camera. Specifications. Brand name, Runto. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. Battery life, 24. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. GPS logger, external. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display, IPS. Video code, H.264. Front camera, 3840 by 2160p 4K. Rear camera, Full HD 1920 by 1080p. The item number 2 is HDO 12-inch 4G ADAS Car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, NICE. Max external memory, 128G. View angle, 170 degrees. Voltage, 5 volts. Screen resolution, 1280 by 720. Chipset manufacturer, JL. Operating system, Android. Display size, 12. Video code, MJPG. Pixels, 500 mega. Material type, plastic. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Item weight, 950 grams. GPS logger, internal. Item size, 300 by 72 by 10 Out power, 12 volts. RAM, 2 GB LPDDR3. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Blue Avito 12 inches car rear view mirror. Specifications. Brand name, Blue Avito. Chipset manufacturer, Spectrum SL8541E. Frames per second, 25. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 12-inch. Video code, H.264. System, Android 8.1. RAM/ROM, 2 GB/32 GB. Front camera resolution, 1280 by 720. Rear camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.